Well, who is this, Jack? Who is it? Is that Phyllis? Phyllis, are you climbing up into my armpit, huh, silly girl? What you doing down there? Who is that, buddy? Who is that? It's hard to catch, isn't she? It's hard to be nice to the rat, okay? You're really dark. There, that's because you're my shadow. Are you trying to catch it? It's okay. It's up on my shoulder now. Are you looking because you want to eat the rat? Can we be friends with the rat? Maybe? I'm doing a really crappy job of videotaping this, aren't I? Say hello, pretty girl. Say hi, Phyllis. You kissing me? Oh, that's on my shoulder. I think she wants to get down and meet you. Why are you so nervous, little girl? Why are you nervous, Phyllis? You're okay. You're a good rat. Yes, you are. Where's Jackson? She's still in the shadow. You see the rat? Say hello, Miss Phyllis. Miss Phyllis is trying to climb on my head. Now she's climbing on the phone. Can't take videos if you're climbing on the phone. Hello, little girl. Hello, Phyllis. There's Jackson. There's Jackson. He wants to say hi. There we go. There's Phyllis. Jackson, come on. Come say hi. There's the rat. And there's Kitty. She just needs to be introduced.